Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp chats, making problem solving simple and easy to follow. First of all, unlock your phone and go to the home screen. Now, long press the WhatsApp app icon until options appear. From the list, tap on Remove App or Uninstall. This step is required to restore chats from backup. After uninstalling WhatsApp, open the App Store or Play Store. Once the store opens, go to the search option. We'll now reinstall WhatsApp from the official store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. In the search bar, type WhatsApp. Once WhatsApp appears, tap on it to open the app page. Now tap on the install button to download WhatsApp again. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, open WhatsApp from your phone. If your chats don't appear immediately, don't worry. Simply restart your phone and open WhatsApp again. In most cases, chats appear after a quick restart. This completes the recovery process. And that's it. This is how you can easily recover deleted WhatsApp chats. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy solutions. Also, comment below if you want more WhatsApp tips or recovery tutorials.